Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel Activecampaign. So first go to activecampaign.com and log in with your account. Now over here on the left side you can see your name. Just click on there and click on billings and upgrade. Now over here, if you have a plan, you'll get an option to delete your plan, just like on this image. Since I don't have any plans, I'm on a free plan right now, I don't have that option. So from here you can delete your active campaign. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.